How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. The first step is to open or launch the Snapchat mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app as displayed here. From there, tap on the Bitmoji icon. It's the icon located at the top left corner of the screen as shown. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the profile section of your Snapchat account. Here, there are multiple options and sections that allow you to access different areas of your profile. From these options, tap on the profile settings icon. It's the gear-shaped icon that appears here. Once you do that, you'll be directed to the settings page of your Snapchat account as you can see here. On this page, you'll find various settings that you can use to manage and customize your account. Now, scroll down until you reach this section here. Once you're in the right section, make sure you tap this option named Bitmoji. Tapping on it will open a new page where your Bitmoji settings are found. You can use this section to update or remove your Bitmoji. From the available options, look for and tap on the one named Remove My Bitmoji. Once you tap on it, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking whether you really want to proceed with the removal. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and tap on the Remove button here. This will immediately remove or delete your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account, just like you can see here. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat.